Another piece of Minton period china out of the box that we're listing today. This one's Winchester K132. That's its excuse me, pattern name and factory reference number. Gold or gilt and pure bone white china design in a sort of neoclassical, almost a bulbous square, isn't it? Don't know really how to describe this shape. I'm sure it has got an official name. I love the little detailing. Let me just get this in focus for you, because it's pretty tricky. My camera's going to struggle in this light box with the LEDs. Just see that embossed detailing in the gilt band that runs around Winchester's design. Really fine. You've got to get close up to really appreciate it. From a distance, it's got these neoclassical scroll handles, this bulbous square, 9 3/8 inches or 9 5/8 inches. The measurements are on the website. Depends obviously where you measure it from. It extends to around 10.5 inches between the two scroll handles. There is the Minton marks, bone china, England. Impressed here, as you can see, Minton china 153, and it's got its K reference down there as well, being put on in hand scroll writing by the Gilt decorators. Really nice piece, very nice and clean. Plate surface, really bright. One tiny little area here, just where that linear detailing that picks up that central well on this serving plate. Just taking a little bit of wear, probably from a plate stacked on top of it over the years. It's been made back in 1953. So a nice period piece of very fine and elegant Minton bone china, Winchester. And this is available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link in the description, taking you from YouTube to our listing for this piece of Minton china. Thanks for watching.